I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quail eggs. First, gather your fresh quail eggs. Place them gently into a small saucepan and add enough cold water to cover them by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer to prevent cracking. This initial step is crucial for achieving perfectly cooked eggs. For soft-boiled quail eggs with a runny yolk, simmer them for exactly 2 minutes. If you prefer a firmer, yet still creamy yolk, simmer for 3 minutes. Once your desired cooking time is reached, quickly remove the eggs from the hot water. Immediately plunge them into an ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and helps with easy peeling. Peeling quail eggs can be a bit tricky due to their delicate nature. To make it easier, gently tap the whiter end of each egg on a hard surface to create a small crack. Then, roll the egg between your palm and the surface to further crack the shell all around. For the smoothest peel, try doing this under cold, running water. The water helps separate the membrane from the egg. Now that your quail eggs are perfectly cooked and peeled, it's time to enjoy them. They are delicious served simply with a sprinkle of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Quail eggs also make an elegant addition to salads, canapés, or as a sophisticated garnish for various dishes. If you have any leftovers, store peeled eggs in a container filled with cold water in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.